Hi friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hey, Camilla. Are you ready for the big exam tomorrow?
Not really. I'm so nervous. How about you?
I've just started reviewing. There's so much to remember.
Me too. Should we study together?
Good idea. Where should we start?
Let's begin with the science chapter.
Okay. Do you understand the part about plants?
A little, but the photosynthesis process is confusing.
I can explain it. It's how plants make food from sunlight.
Oh, that makes sense. Thanks.
No problem. Now, what about math?
Math is my weakest subject.
Don't worry. We can practice some equations.
Okay, let's try the first problem.
I think the answer is 15. What do you think?
I got 20. Let's check the formula again.
You're right. I made a mistake.
It happens. Let's move to history.
History is all about dates and events.
True. Do you remember when the war ended?
I think it was 1945.
Correct. You're good at this.
Thanks, but I always mix up the names.
Me too. Let's test each other.
Okay, who discovered America?
Christopher Columbus.
Right. Now ask me one.
Who was the first president of the United States?
George Washington. Easy.
Ha ha ha, yes! Let's take a short break.
Good idea. My brain is tired.
Should we get some snacks?
Sure. I have some fruits and juice.
Perfect. I brought cookies too.
Great. Let's eat and then continue.
How do you remember all the formulas?
I write them down many times.
That's a good method. I should try it.
It really helps. Also, teaching someone else makes it easier.
Like we're doing now?
Exactly. We're both learning from each other.
This is fun. I feel more confident now.
Me too. Let's do the last chapter.
Okay, After this, we can review everything one more time.
Deal. I'm sure we'll do great in the exam.
I hope so. Thanks for studying with me, Lucas.
Thank you too, Camella. Good luck.
Me too.